This is modern periodic table, and in this table 18 groups are there. 18 groups and 7 periods are there. These are 7 periods and 18 groups. This first line is called alkali metals. This is alkali earth metals. This line is known as last line inert gases. This last line is known as inert gases. This 17th group, this 17th group, this fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and acetylene, this line is known as halogens. This line is known as halogens. These are metallites. These are metallites. Before this, these are metals. All are metals. And after these metallites, these are non-metals. These are non-metals. Metals, non-metals, and at center metallite. These are metallites. Now group from third to 12. See this group third to 12. These groups, this box at center. This is called transition elements. This is called transition elements. This group is called transition element. 3 to 12. This scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, magnesium, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, and zinc. These are called transition elements. In these elements, in transition element, outermost cell, the electron distribution, the outermost cell as well as the next to outermost cell, it means penultimate cell, are incomplete. Last cell and a cell before that, that is known as penultimate cell, are incomplete in transition element. Two cells are incomplete. First is outermost and second is before that. That is penultimate cell. Here first B, group first B or group 11. See example, first B or group 11. This is also group number, direct number, group 11. Copper, silver, gold. These are the examples of transition element. Now next point, we have to compare the reactivity. Now compare the reactivity. See here, 3 elements. पोटेशियम, सोडियम एंड लिथियम, इन तीनों में सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव जो है वो पोटेशियम है, क्योंकि आउटर मोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो सेंटर से दूर जा रहा है, ऑर्बिट्स बढ़ रही हैं, तो सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव हो गया पोटेशियम, फिर सोडियम उससे कम रिएक्टिव है, और लिथियम इन तीनों में सबसे कम रिएक्टिव है. मोस्ट रिएक्टिव, less reactive than potassium, and less reactive, lithium is less reactive than potassium and sodium. This, it means in a period, if we will go from up to down, reactivity increases in case of metals. in case of metals. Now check the reactivity between sodium, magnesium and aluminium. Sodium, magnesium and aluminium. In this group, sodium is more reactive. Sodium is more reactive. Magnesium is less reactive in case of sodium, and aluminium is least reactive in between, in among these three: sodium, magnesium and aluminium. Sodium is more reactive, magnesium is less than sodium, aluminium is less than sodium and magnesium. Now we have to check the reactivity between chlorine, bromine and iodine. These three are non-metals. Non-metals. These are metals. See here, in case of metals, potassium is more reactive. And here, in case of non-metals, chlorine is more reactive than bromine, than iodine. It means chlorine is more reactive, most reactive in between these three. Bromine is more reactive, and iodine is reactive. It means less reactive than chlorine and bromine. In case of non-metals, reactivity decreases, and in case of going up to down, and in case of metals, reactivity increases. Potassium is more reactive than these three, and here chlorine is more reactive in these three.